Hello friends, welcome to Crack Post Exam channel, your one-stop solution for postal exam preparation. In today's video, we bring you short notes on Consumer Protection Act 2019. Stay tuned till the end for quick revision tips. Let's get started. Chapter 1, Preliminary and Core Concepts. Section 1, Short Title, Extent and Commencement. The Act is called the Consumer Protection Act 2019. It applies to the whole of India. The Act repealed the Consumer Protection Act 1986. Its provisions are in addition to and not in derogation of any other existing law. Section 2, Subsection 4, Central Authority. The Central Consumer Protection Authority (CCPA) established under Section 10. Section 2, Subsection 7. Consumer. Any person who buys goods or hires services for consideration, including online transactions, excludes person obtaining goods for resale or commercial purposes, but includes obtaining goods exclusively for self-employed livelihood. Section 2, Subsection 9. Consumer rights. Includes the rights to be protected against hazardous goods or services, to be informed about quality, quantity, price, to access a variety of goods at competitive prices, to be heard, to seek redressal against unfair practices, and to consumer awareness. Section 2, Subsection 10. Defect of goods. Any fault, imperfection, or shortcoming in the quality, quantity, potency, purity, or standard related to goods or products. Section 2.11. Deficiency of services. Any fault, imperfection, shortcoming, or inadequacy in the quality, nature, and manner of performance of services, including negligence or deliberate withholding of information. Section 2.34. Product liability. The responsibility of a product manufacturer, seller, or service provider to compensate for harm caused by a defective product or deficient service. Section 246. Unfair contract. A contract with terms that significantly affect the consumer's rights, such as imposing disproportionate penalties or permitting unilateral termination without reasonable cause. Section 247. Unfair trade practice. A trade practice using unfair or deceptive methods to promote sales, including false representations about quality or standard, selling on-sale goods, hoarding, refusing to sell goods, not issuing bills, and manufacturing or selling spurious goods. Section 243. Spurious goods. Goods that are falsely claimed to be genuine. Chapter 2, Consumer Protection Councils. Central Council. Section 3. Establishing body is central government. The chairperson is Minister in charge of Consumer Affairs, Central. Meeting frequency minimum once a year, and the nature is advisory. State Council. Section 6. Establishing body, state government. Chairperson, Minister in charge of Consumer Affairs, State. Meeting frequency minimum twice a year. Nature is advisory. District Council. Section 8. Establishing body, state government. Chairperson is district collector. Meeting frequency twice a year. Nature is advisory. Chapter 3. Central Consumer Protection Authority (CCPA). Purpose. Section 10. It regulates matters relating to violation of consumer rights, unfair trade practices, and false or misleading advertisements. Composition. Chief Commissioner and other commissioners. Headquarters in the National Capital Region of Delhi. Investigation Wing. Section 15. Headed by a Director General appointed by the central government. Powers. Section 18 or 20. Can inquire into violations, suo motu or uncomplained, file complaints, and issue guidelines. Can order the recall of goods or withdrawal of services which are dangerous or unsafe. Misleading ads. Section 21. Can issue directions to discontinue or modify false or misleading advertisements. Penalties on manufacturer or endorser up to 10 lakhs first offense. Up to 50 lakhs subsequent offense. Can prohibit endorsers from making endorsement for up to 3 years for subsequent offenses. District Collector, Section 16, can inquire into or investigate consumer rights violations, unfair trade practices, and misleading ads within jurisdiction and submit a report to the CCPA. Appeal against CCPA, Section 24. Aggrieved parties may appeal to the National Commission within 30 days of the order. Chapter 4. Chapter IV, Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission. Chapter 4, Consumer Disputes Redressal Commissions, CDRCS. A. District Commission, DC. Pecuniary Jurisdiction, Section 34. Value of goods or services paid as consideration doesn't exceed 50 lakh as per revised order. Earlier it was 1 crore rupees. The central government can prescribe other values. Complaint filing can be filed by the consumer, a recognized consumer association, the central or state government or CCPA, or a group of consumers with the same interest can be filed electronically. Admissibility time, Section 36. Admissibility must ordinarily be decided within 21 days of filing. If not decided, it is deemed admitted. Response time, Section 38. Opposite party has 30 days, extendable by 15 days, to respond to the admitted complaint. Resolution goal, Section 38. Endeavor to decide complaints within 3 months if no testing, or 5 months if analysis or testing needed. State Commission, SC. Pecuniary Jurisdiction, Section 47. Value of goods or services paid as consideration exceeds 50 lakhs but doesn't exceed 2 crore rupees as per revised order, and earlier it was 1 crore but doesn't exceed 10 crore rupees. State Commission, SC. Pecuniary Jurisdiction, Section 47. The value of goods or services paid as consideration exceeds 50 lakhs rupees but doesn't exceed 2 crore rupees as per revised order. Earlier, it was exceeding 1 crore rupees but doesn't exceed 10 crore. State Commission, SC. Pecuniary Jurisdiction, Section 47. Value of goods or services paid as consideration exceeds 50 lakhs rupees but doesn't exceed 2 crore rupees. Earlier, it was 1 crore to 10 crore rupees. Additional jurisdiction hears appeals against DC orders, also contains complaints against unfair contracts up to the prescribed value limit. Review, Section 50. Can review its own orders for an error apparent on the face of the record within 30 days. Appeal, Section 51. To the National Commission within 30 days. Appellant must deposit 50% of the amount payable. Endeavor to dispose of appeal within 90 days. C. National Commission, NC. Pecuniary Jurisdiction, Section 58. Value of goods or services paid as consideration exceeds 2 crore rupees. Earlier, it was exceeding 10 crore rupees. Additional jurisdiction hears appeals against SC orders and appeals against CCPA orders. Presidents or members' age, Section 55. President up to 70 years, member up to 67 years. Term is up to 5 years. Administrative control, Section 70. NC has administrative control over all state commissions. Appeal, Section 67. To the Supreme Court within 30 days, appellant must deposit 50% of the amount payable. Chapter V. Mediation. Mediation Cell, Section 74. Established by state government for DC or SC and central government for NC or regional branches. Mediator Panel, Section 75. Panel validity is 5 years. Mediator must disclose any personal, professional, or financial conflict of interest. Settlement order, Section 81. If settlement is reached, the Commission must pass an order recording the settlement within 7 days of receiving the settlement report. Chapter VI, Product Liability. Liability basis, Section 84. A manufacturer is liable if the product has a manufacturing defect, design defect, deviates from specifications, fails to confirm an express warranty, or lacks adequate instructions or warnings. Liability applies even if the manufacturer was not negligent or fraudulent in making the express warranty. Harm definition, Section 222. Includes damage to property other than the product itself, personal injury, illness, death and mental agony, or emotional distress. Excludes harm to the product itself, damage due to warranty breaches and commercial or economic losses. Exceptions, Section 87. No action can be brought if the product was misused, altered or modified. Manufacturers are also not liable for failure to warn about a danger that is obvious or commonly known to the user. Chapter VII, Offences and Penalties. Non-compliance with CCPA directions. Section 88. Imprisonment up to 6 months and or fine up to 20 lakhs. False or misleading advertisements. First offence. Section 89. Imprisonment up to 2 years and fine up to 10 lakh rupees. False or misleading advertisements subsequent. Section 89. Imprisonment up to 5 years and fine up to 50 lakhs. Non-compliance with CDRC orders. Section 72. Imprisonment 1 month to 3 years and or fine 25,000 to 1 lakh. CDRCs act as a judicial magistrate of first class for trying such offences summarily. Adulterated or spurious goods causing death. Section 90 or 91. Imprisonment not less than 7 years, extendable to life, and fine not less than 10 lakhs. These offences are cognizable and non-bailable. Vexatious search or seizure. Section 93. Imprisonment up to 1 year and or fine up to 10,000 rupees. Compounding offences. Section 96. Offences under Section 88, non-compliance with CCPA, and Section 89, false ads can be. Then key numerical aspects and time limits. DC, pecuniary jurisdiction, Section 34(1). Time limit 50 lakhs as per numerical list. Key numerical aspects and time limits. Key numerical aspects and time limits. District Commission pecuniary jurisdiction, Section 34(1). Limit is 50 lakhs. State Commission pecuniary jurisdiction, Section 47(1). 50 lakhs to 2 crore. National Commission pecuniary jurisdiction, 58(1). Exceeds 2 crore rupees. Limitation period for complaint, 69(1). 2 years from cause of action. District Commission administrability decision, Section 36(2). Ordinarily within 21 days of filing. Response to complaint opposite party, Section 38(2)(a). 30 days extendable by 15 days. District Commission resolution, no testing, Section 38(7). Endeavour within 3 months. District Commission resolutions testing required, Section 38(7). Endeavour within 5 months. Minimum compensation or identifiable consumers, Section 39(1)(k). Not less than 25% of the values of defective goods or services. District Commission appeal to appeal to SC, Section 41 in 45 days. SC appeal to NC, Section 51(a), 30 days. NC appeal to Supreme Court, Section 67, 30 days. Deposit required for appeal all levels. Section 41, Section 51 and Section 67. 50% of the amount payable. Appeal disposable time frame SC or NC Section 52 endeavor within 90 days of admission. Order on mediation settlement Section 81 1. Within 7 days of receiving settlement report. Panel of mediators validity Section 75(3) 5 years. Return of seized documents Section 22(3) within 20 days of seizure. Maximum age for NC President Section 55(1) 70 years. Maximum age for NC member Section 55(1) 67 years. So friends, today we have covered some important points on Consumer Protection Act 2019. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos. Till then, keep studying and stay motivated. Thank you. Friends, today we have covered some important points on Consumer Protection Act 2019. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos. Till then, keep studying and stay motivated. Thank you.